welcome back. We're looking at question 1a. We're solving for x, right? If you look at this question here, there's no need to expand this. We are already given the factors. We are given that 3x minus 4 times x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. So this means that it's either 3x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. This one will give us our answer straight away, but we need to factorize this. How do we factorize this? If you can easily recognize this, this is a product of a binomial squared. What do I mean by binomial squared? You have x plus y squared like this. If you square this binomial, remember you just square this and then plus 2xy and then plus y squared. And then if it's x minus y like this, you'll get x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Remember this. If you want to check, you can expand this using the FOIL method. You'll see at the end you are going to get this. And then if you check, this is x squared and then this is also a square. This would be like x squared plus 6x plus 9 is 3 squared plus 3 squared. So when going backwards, you can take this x here and the 3 and say this is x plus 3 and then squared like that. If you say x squared, you get this. Then 2 times x times 3, you get 6x. Then 3 squared, you get your 9. So it means this will give us x plus 3 squared. But let's do it the normal way. Right? We find the factors of 9 that will give us 6 if we add them. That is positive 3 and positive 3. 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then 3 plus 3 will give us 6. So it becomes x plus 3, then x plus 3 is equal to 0. So from this, we can easily see that x is equal to negative 3. Just that. And then this side, 3x is equal to 4, and then x is equal to 4 over 3. Please take note, if you have an equation like this, and then you already have a 0 here, you don't need to expand. Already you are given your factors. Just use your factors and continue. Otherwise, you expand, you'll get your cubic equation, and then you have to start afresh. And then it's very difficult sometimes to solve cubic equations.